Oh, that's alright.
I've got a Kogan.
Cold.
Hi guys.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Welcome back. I'm Ava. Today, tonight we are playing touch.
Yes.
Let's go.
Maybe I should put it back a bit. Let's get it. Touch it. Come up, come up, come up. Touch. Slide.
Get it, slide. Slide.
Mine. Touch the ball. Touch. Dummy. Dummy.
Hey, back on the thing. Hold it, 3. Sweet.
Touch pass. I got it. Oh yeah. Unlucky.
Yeah. Oh, forward. Yo.
And that's our shift complete.
Shift done.
Yep. All done for the day. What's the lesson for today?
Get fitter.
Amen. Alright guys, see you later.